This is Yusuf from templatecolor.com. Welcome to our PHP and PDO tutorials part 2. In this video, I've started developing a voting system, and now we're going to start creating the election. We're going to start creating the design of the place where we're going to create a form that when the user will be having a two input field, the place where the user can add and the name of the election, then a button that when the user click it and it will submit the election in the database. And we're going to create a query after validating the input that the user sent. We authenticate something, everything, we make everything neat so that we will not be inserting useless data inside the database. Then we're going to check the database if that name already exists in database. If it exists, then we are going to give out the user an error that the election already exists, whereas if there is no such name of the election, then we can allow the user to insert that election into the database. And let's go back to our source code and start writing our code. Okay. I have already created a form for it. Can I just copy it here and explain how the structure is. Okay, it's kind of simple. Okay, just create a new class column 4, then I use the header 1 and a connection, and I create a form. I'm going to validating the form in this page under the election at PHP page. Okay, then the first input field, the election, and the submit button at election. Let's save it. Let's go back to our browser and refresh. You see, we have something like this. Okay, when you enter the name, let's see, very show. Okay, when you click it, then to submit on database. Then let's start to validate. Start validating it. Okay, okay. Let's create a structure, PHP structure here. Let's say if within the set function, since it is we are using the method post. Okay, don't forget post. Okay, then the name. Okay, don't forget the name that you refer to is here at election, and to go and type submit. Okay, to give you an error. Okay, add election. Yeah, let's see. Let's okay. Yeah, let's break the line. Make our work a bit nicer. Let's refresh. Let's click on it. See, okay. And let's start writing. Okay. Let's check if the name exists. If set. Yes, set. Post. Okay, and let's the new election. Election. Equal. Okay. Okay. See, okay. Now, and let's start. Let's create a new variable. New election. Okay. Then we're basing the post. Okay. Okay. To prevent SQL injection, let's try to use the HTML special call function. Okay. Okay. And we are going to be using the HTML entity. HTML entities. Okay. Okay. Then we'll be using the strip slashes function. Okay. Okay. Now let's try to check if it's not empty. If it's not empty, then new variable, new election. Okay. Else equal. is empty. Okay, now let's echo. Good to go. Okay, let's save it. Let's give a grab browser and refresh. Okay, and let's try it. Presidential. Okay, let's try to click on it. See, we are good to go. If you find this nice, don't forget to share with friends, teammates, and etc. Thank you all for watching.